Good day. In this video, we are going to do question 1B of the 2024 Apply Probability Method in Solving Problem question. So without further ado, let's do question 2B. The whole question 1B, is an excellence question. So you can get that right. It's an excellence question. So the question is, the result of survey show that year 11 and year 12 students in the age group of 15 to 17 had a mean weekly hours spent on physical activity was only 8.1. So the mean is 8.1. 5% of the students aged 15 to 17 spend less than 30 minutes or 0.5 hours on physical activity each week. Calculate the standard deviation for the number of weekly spent on physical activity for students aged between 15 to 17. This is always an excellent question, and I'm going to put my graphic calculator here so that you can know what I'm doing. Okay, so hopefully you can see. Okay, good. So the mean is 8.1. The standard deviation is what we want to find out. Is at 0.5 hours, and the probability is 0.05. So we are going to find the standard deviation. This is a standard question. You either need to find the standard deviation or the mean. In this case, it's standard deviation. So we need to standardize the normal distribution. Standardized means your mean becomes 0 and your standard deviation becomes 1, and we need to calculate the z. Once we get the z, we're going to substitute that z into this equation to find the standard deviation. So we're going to do that now. Okay. So we're going to run at statistics. Okay. And then we are going to put distribution. This time is an inverse normal. So you're going to put F3 here. And now we are going to put the numbers. Okay. So the area in this case is 0.05. We entered that, okay, on the left. And then the sigma, we have to standardize it. It's going to be 1. Mu is 0. That's why I say standardize. And you're going to get the answer. And the answer was supposed to be Z equals to minus 1.6449. Round them up, okay? So now if you know this, we're going to use this formula to calculate your sigma. So we're going to take this away, okay? So now it's going to be Z is going to be minus 1.6449. That is equals to X, which is X is this number 0.5. Mu is your mean, 8.1 over sigma. Okay. Now to get your sigma, you're going to swap these two places. So sigma equals to 0.5 minus 8.1 divided by minus 1.6449. Put in your calculator. I calculated before. It's going to be 4.62. So now we are going to do the last part. If you can get the two justification, it's going to be excellent. Give two reasons why your answer in B1 suggests that normal distribution may not be appropriate for the number of hours spent on physical activity. So it is unlikely to be a bell-shaped and symmetrical. Why? Because it is more likely to be skewed to the right because some students spend more hours on physical activity because 0.5 is only 5%. So more students will be on this side, so they'll be skewed. And of course, the second one is the standard deviation of 4.62 and the mean 8.1 is too large. Suggests that a lot of people, if you do that, then there'll be more people on the left hand side. Then more people on if it is a normal distribution, it won't be because the standard deviation is such a big number. So that is how you argue. If you can get it right, that is excellent for both questions. Unfortunately, I'm not able to do question 1C because the graph itself is copyrighted and they don't print it out on the NCEA website. So have a good day, everyone, and I see you soon.